Hello friends, welcome to the new session where we are going to learn something new today. Okay, the topic which I will be teaching you today is division. So have you heard this topic before, children? What do you mean by the term division? Dividing something in equal part, which means when I am dividing something into groups and then providing them with same number, right? So it may be possible that sometimes when I divide them, they may be in equal form, they may not be in equal form. Say, for an example, Maria has 8 carrots. Okay, she wanted to divide them to 4 rabbits equally. How much will each rabbit get? Okay, so did you understand the question? Maria is having 8 carrots with her, okay, and she is also having 4 rabbits. Now, she wanted to divide this 8 carrots into these 4 equally so that none of them is having more or less. So, what am I going to do? First, so let us assume that this is rabbit A, rabbit B, rabbit C and rabbit D, okay. So, first what she will be doing? She will be giving 1 carrot each. Yes? So, from 8 carrots, she has already given 4. So, how much she is having? She is having now remainder 4 carrots with her. Right? So, now the remaining 4 again she will divide it among the 4. So, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, which means that each rabbit is getting 2 carrots. It is divided equally among all the 4 rabbits, right? So, now since it was a small number, it was easy for me to allocate it. So, now assume if it is a big number, okay. So, is it possible for you to divide it one on time every time? No, it is not possible, right? So, division is the repetition of subtraction. So, for subtraction, whatever number is given, we reduce the number, we get the answer, right? So, division is just the repetition of subtraction, okay. Here, we are having 4 new concepts. So, the first one is the dividend. The next one is the divisor. The third one is the quotient. And the last one is the remainder. Okay. So, now the same question if I have to solve in a division form. So, what will I do? 8 divided by 4. So, this is the division symbol. Yes. So, 8 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, right. So, 4 into 2 is 8 and my remainder is 0. So, in this form, 2 is my quotient, 4 is my divisor, 8 is my dividend and 0 is my remainder. Okay. So, this is divided in this form. Whatever answer you divide and you get on top, okay, that is how many groups you can divide that particular question into. So, that answer part is called your quotient. Sometimes it is possible that a number may not be divided equally. Now, the same example if I say I had 9 carrots and I wanted to divide them among 4. So, what will happen? So, again 4 twos are 8 and then 1. So, I cannot divide this further because 1 is lesser than 4, right? I cannot divide it further. So, in this case, 1 will become my remainder. So when the number is not divisible completely, you will have a remainder factor. So this 2 will be my quotient. This 9 is my dividend. And 4 will be my divisor. Okay. So divisor is something with which we are going to divide. Okay. And dividend is the number which we are going to solve. Okay. So this is my question which is being given, and this number is something with which we will be dividing the number. The answer obtained can be either quotient or quotient and remainder. Okay. So we have an equation to check whether the question which we have solved is correct or not. So what is that equation? The equation is, one second. So you can solve this equation to cross check your answer whether the answer you have achieved is the right one or the wrong one. Okay. The quotient which I will be getting is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the method through which you can cross verify your answer. For example, my first question was that Maria had 8 carrots and she wanted to divide them among her 4 rabbits, right? So now my divisor in this case was 4. My quotient was, that is on the top, we had 2, right? 2, and remainder was nothing, 0. So 4 into 2 is 8, and my dividend was also 8. So is it matching? Yes. So this is how you will cross check your answer. In case if you have a doubt whether your division is right or wrong, you can follow this step and then you can cross verify whether the answer obtained, that is your quotient and the remainder, is correct or not. Clear?